For the challenge string formatting in fstrings 2, we're asked to complete the function insert x and y and return a string that says my favorite numbers are x and y. But x and y are actually going to be the numbers that are passed in as parameters to the function. We can see in the doc string, it returns the string my favorite numbers are 1 and 2 if x and y equal 1 and 2 respectively. So there's no need to use any variables or anything along those lines here. We can actually simply just return the f string that we want. Specifically, I want that to say my favorite numbers are, and for the first value, I want x in the curly brackets, and in the second value, I want y. Finish it off with a period. Go ahead and run that test. And it is saying a little delay there, but I can see that's actually true. If we scroll down and we look at these solutions, we can actually see that we could do this using the dot format version as well. My favorite numbers are, I always think of these curly brace pairs as empty buckets, and then the parameters, right, x will be dropped in this first bucket and y will be dropped in this second bucket. That's how I visualize or conceptualize this, and it helps me really wrap my head around that dot format value. But it is worth noting that the dot format method is an artifact of an older version of Python. I believe it was in Python 3.7's release, or perhaps 3.6. They introduced the f string, and convention is to use the f string as opposed to the dot format. Though the dot format has not been formally deprecated, so it is still supported and it does still function. But to pass this challenge, either one will work, either the f string, and we can just put those variables into that string by dropping them in the bucket with either the f string or the dot format.